Oh, puna kayo. Umupo ni Mary. Yes, lang dapat niyo. Iba sabi ko kayo. Feeling. Oh. Flower girl.
Layo kayo, Oyster.
Yeah.
Sabi lang namin. Take care of my dog.
Go, start na. Start.
We are gathered here today to celebrate the unity of two people, Janina Manipal and Juan Miguel Ocampo, Northern people. It is never rude or selfish. It does not take offense and is not respectful. Love takes no pleasure in other people's sins, but delights in the truth. It is always ready to excuse, to cross, to hold, and to endure whatever comes. Please recite the vows to each other. Janina, you're so beautiful, so generous, so kind. Every day with you is my friend. I can't believe how lucky I am, and I can't wait to share my life with you.
When I was growing up, I didn't have any regular mom and dad. And I always felt like I was missing. But now, I stand here today knowing that I'm gonna have everything I'll ever need from my family.
Ikaw na. Dream.
Take Janina Manipal as your wife. And do you, Janina Manipal, take Juan Miguel Ocampo as your husband?
I do.
You may now kiss the bride.
Ring!
Okay. Ulit. Sorry, wala akong pera eh.
Walang diamonds.
Husband and wife.
Kiss!
Now kiss the bride.
Huh?